Best part of Design Lab is getting to do something different every couple of weeks. We transform the lab, set it up for woodworking, and then we tear it down, we set up soldering irons, we have computers out, we're doing computer coding, and there is never a dull moment. There's so much to see, do, create, and the students that come into class bring with them a kind of energy and a passion that just makes me smile. It's the most fun I've ever had as an educator. Design Lab is using science, technology, engineering, and math to solve problems. Students who like to tinker or like to build stuff, like to design or create, those type of students can find an avenue and a path then to turn that into a livelihood, and they can see, hey, this is what I need to study, this is what I need to do, this is classes I can take at KCTC that'll help me on my goal.
My favorite thing about Design Lab is all the new experiences, like woodworking and coding, and we just get to try so many new things that I didn't even know existed before.
You get to test out a bunch of stuff, like you got a lot of hands-on activities you do, and you get to meet new people for different districts.
We do some classroom work, and we then apply what we're learning in the lab. We have an online course where students take a math or a science course for high school credit. Everyone in Design Lab is a 10th grader, and at that point in your high school career, you need to fit in certain credits at a certain time. In order to have the flexibility to be here on campus for over 2 hours, we need to have the online course so that you don't fall behind in credits back at your sending school. I understand the curriculum and what's needed, but there are areas of our class that I don't know, and so what we do is we bring in industry experts.
Then we got to go visit, take field trips to companies. It's not only that we're sitting in the classroom or working in the lab, we're also going and getting real life experiences.
And then you realize, oh, maybe I like this atmosphere better, or maybe I like that atmosphere better, and focus on what you like to do.
Students who are willing to take a chance, try something they may not have liked before, oftentimes go on to find out something that they absolutely loved and that's a passion, and they had no idea about that.
I wanted to do IT coming into this program, but now that I have been through this program, I'm thinking more of going into computer engineering.
So I see myself more as a facilitator than an instructor. I don't have all the knowledge, but together I work with students to help them achieve things that they didn't think was possible.